Welcome back to Stupid Questions Properly Answered, where we separate fact from fiction and debunk common myths and misconceptions. In this episode, we will be exploring the question, is it true that you only use 10% of your brain? This myth has been around for a long time and it's often cited in movies and TV shows, but is there any truth to it? The answer is no, it's not true that we only use 10% of our brain. In fact, neuroscientists have shown that we use all parts of our brain, all the time. Every part of the brain has a specific function, and it's constantly communicating with other parts of the brain to process information, control movement, and regulate our bodily functions. While it's true that some areas of the brain may be more active than others at any given time, we are still using all parts of the brain throughout the day. Dr. Barry Gordon, a professor of neurology and cognitive science at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine, explains, it turns out, though, that we use virtually every part of the brain, and that the brain is active almost all the time. So where did this myth come from? It's unclear, but it's possible that it originated from a misinterpretation of neuroscience research. In the early 1900s, neurologists discovered that only a small percentage of brain cells, or neurons, are active at any given time. This led some people to believe that we only use 10% of our brain, when in fact, we are using all parts of the brain, all the time. Thank you for watching this episode of Stupid Questions Properly Answered. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing. Your support helps us continue to bring you answers to some of life's most curious questions.
From flat earth to conspiracy, we'll tackle them with accuracy. Our eye will lend a hand and guide us through this crazy land. Stupid questions properly answered, no topic too absurd. We'll dive deep and explore